that we have. Okay, so the first one is proposal submission. Proposal submission. Proposal submission. So if you have any idea, brilliant idea, either as an individual or as a team, you can what? Submit a proposal to what? Cardano Project Catalyst. And you don't just go to throw the proposal on the Catalyst. But what happens is that there are what? Categories. So you can have education, health, agriculture. So you will look at where your proposal will fit and you what? Push it there. Are we okay? Yes. So that is what we call categories or challenges. Don't forget of this term because it is you have to get familiar with it because it's going to run across your entire involvement on the Cardano blockchain and dealing with what proposals and also what reviewing of what proposals. So instead of categories, they are called what challenges. So, and those of you who have also opened the browser yourself, you see we have login and what? Register. So, but since you are accessing the platform for the first time, you click on what? Register. And when you register, it will ask you to enter your what? Email address. Be an active email address because that's where they will send you updates and what? Notifications. Okay? So to register, you enter your email address. And then they'll ask you to what? Create a password. So the password should be known to you and you alone. Most of you who create your password and take this in your head after a few days, it will disappear. Don't give up down. Write it safe. So you create your password, then you confirm your password. So once you create the password, they ask you to confirm the password. And the confirmed password is the same as the first password you entered. Okay. Then they'll ask you to select your language. And by default, we are English speaking people. So you leave it like that. And if you want to receive what? News and updates about IDSK, you can what? Click on this checkbox. But if you don't want them to send you news about IDSK, you can just check it. Then once you confirm that everything is okay, you click on what? Register. Once you click on register, they will send you a verification